Hey guys, I'm Nadine, the founder and Throdle, and I'm here with pro driver Dan Stuke. So Dan, we get a lot of members on our app who ask us all the time, how do I become a pro drifter? What tips do you have to share with us?
I got 3 good ones for you guys, not in any particular order. Number 1, everyone says seat time, and that's vague. You need a sim. A sim is you need a sim. Number 1 thing you need is a sim. Seat time is expensive. You can only do it on weekends. You got to travel to do it. You can drive the sim every single night, and you will get more seat time than anyone with any reliable stock Z or anything. Sim is a big one.
But what kind of sim do you have at home?
I'm a little dated. I need to jump into 2023 and probably get on the sim magic train. But I have a Club Sport 2.5 and the pedals, you know, just that whole package.
What's the second tip?
Number 2, volunteer at anything local to you that's drifting related. If you got a team that drives in your area, call them, say, hey, I'd love to come help for free. I'll bring you guys lunch. Get involved with a local team or a local drift organization and just show up. You won't know what to do, and you'll never know what to do until you just jump in there and do it.
And the last one?
Last one is reach out to people who inspire you. All of the pros are super friendly and try to get to as many DMs as they can and whatnot, but reach out to people who inspire you and ask as many questions as you can. If you annoy someone, they won't respond, message someone else. Someone will respond, someone will answer your questions, and this is the coolest motorsport community I've ever seen, and we love to help.
And who was your mentor back in the day?
Casey Cole has helped me a lot, and Matt Field kind of helped us really dial in our program when we were moving from Pro-Am to Pro 2 at the time, but Pro Spec. Get someone who you look up to and reach out to them. Everyone is just normal dudes, and we want to talk to you guys too.
But if folks wanting to learn more about you and your car, where should they go?
Throdle. Obviously.
Awesome.
Catch me on the Throdle app.
Thanks, guys.